50 names of common tools and equipments you should be knowing. 1. Hammer. 2. Mallet. 3. Jackhammer. 4. Nail. 5. Chisel. 6. Bradawl. 7. File. 8. Axe. 9. Hatchet. 10. Scissor. 11. Hedge shear. 12. Garden pruner. 13. Pocket knife. 14. Screwdriver. 15. Line tester. 16. Drill. 17. Spanner. 18. Adjustable wrench. 19. Pipe wrench. 20. Plier. 21. Needle nose plier. 22. Wire cutter. 23. Bolt cutter. 24. Glass cutter. 25. Screw. 26. Nut. 27. Bolt. 28. Washer. 29. Clamp. 30. Pry bar. 31. Shovel. 32. Trowel. 33. Handsaw. 34. Backsaw. 35. Coping saw. 36. Hacksaw. 37. Chainsaw. 38. Garden fork. 39. Rake. 40. Hoe. 41. Sickle. 42. Wheelbarrow. 43. Lawn mower. 44. Tape measure. 45. Spirit level. 46. Sandpaper. 47. Plumber's tape. 48. Plunger. 49. Ladder. 50. Toolbox. Thank you for watching. Like, share and subscribe.